here we are, Mid-Ohio. This is one of our favorite races. It's Brian's home round. We're here. We're back. A little bit of work to do to the bike, just really some odds and ends, some maintenance stuff. We actually had some improvements, some parts that looked like they were getting some wear and tear on them that we wanted to replace just to kind of get ready. Try not to do that at the track. Sometimes it's actually a good idea to do it at the track because you have everybody together. We kind of get a good idea of where the bike's at, what the baseline is. So yeah, so that was last night. Unfortunately, was a little bit later of a night than we would normally like it to be. We're able to turn some really decent lap times here in pre-practice one this morning.
Pre-practice one sucked a big old cock.
Yeah, so during the session this morning, I mean, you know, you can't really complain about it because it is what it is.
The track was really green, just squishing all over the place, like all that.
They split up the Hooligans into two different sessions. Hooligans is historically the first group on track anyway. So we were on track at 8:30. We were the first bikes on track. And, you know, just this kind of weather with the humidity and the dew in the air and things, the track is really green. And Brian went out, he spun it a couple of laps, and his time was really not that bad. I mean, can't really compare to good track conditions, but compared to the other riders that were out there, he was doing really well.
So it sucks. The track still sucks when it's cold, which is why I always skip morning sessions. But the sun's out, concrete's warm, blacktop's warm. We'll be all right for qualifying.
It's really by the end of the session, things were getting a lot better. He was picking up about between 1 and 2 seconds a lap at the end of the session. So you could just see how the track was coming in. And of course that prepped the track better for the group behind us, which was the other half of the Hooligans class. And they turned some really good lap times, but really I'm happy with what Brian did relative to his competition. He was good. He was 10th out of 19 in his session. So you can't complain about that. I think it's setting us up well for going into Q1 this afternoon.
Yeah, we'll be okay. We'll be all right.
What about time?
Seen 1:35.9.
Same time?
Yeah.
You too, man. I came up a lap early. Hell yeah, man.
Tire's great.
Fuck yeah, did awesome.
I didn't get as good of a start, but I passed a lot of people after the start.
Yeah.
Way to go, mother trucker.
Moved up a couple spots.
Hell yeah, dude. You moved up a lot, man.
I didn't get the start I wanted, but it was okay.
It was okay, yeah. You got outside. Dude, you're 35.9.
Again.
But still, you had a couple up and down laps, you know?
Oh yeah. Dude, 2 laps to the end, I'm like, fuck, I'm tired.
Smoochy, smoochy.
That's pretty good.
You got 15. Top 15. 15? Top fucking 15,
So a
dog.
dude broke down. You were sitting at 16 and a dude broke down and pulled off and you ended up with a national point, bro.
I didn't know. Last I seen it was 16.
No,
Oh my God.
He finished, but no, that was fire. We were cheering on. So, yeah. We were.
When,
Oh, that was so fucking awesome.
there was this little short guy.
Was it good though?
Yes.
You know, okay, come off the back straight, the right, the left, down, right. Well, he went wide, went over that hill through the grass, crossed the, I'm looking at him up here and I'm like, and he crossed right behind me. Like, I felt him go behind me. I'm like, oh my God. Today went great. We skipped warm up because it was early in the morning and I didn't want to wake up. I'm fucking tired. So we went directly into the race, and I think Travis' car dropped out, so we moved up a spot, which put us in the middle starting grid. Here at Mid-Ohio, you really want to be on the outside of turn 1. I don't want to give my secrets away, but I want to be on the outside so you can run around guys. And this race, I got a pretty good start. Rode around the outside, passed some guys on the yellow paint, and then just picked off. After the first couple laps, there were a couple of bikes way ahead of me, and I was just hoping people weren't going to drive past me. Ran some good clean laps, very consistent times that were on par with my best for the weekend. Just rode a real good, consistent race. Finished 15th. I'm stoked for that. We got another point. So now I got 2 pro points in the Hooligans class, and I'm excited, man. We had a great weekend, friends and family around, really no trouble, very relaxed, and ran some good races. I'm fucking happy. Super Fooligans, I think we surpassed our expectations. I would say. For the bike we're on, the bikes we have, you know, I mean, it's progress every weekend, going faster every weekend. Like, we got points, you know. Last year we got 1 pro point in Super Sport. This year we got 2. We got doubly good. And it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of interest in the bike because it's a fucking, you know, it's like the Chevy S10 or Cavalier or something of the paddock. It's the oldest bike here by a fucking landfall. And people can buy them. I got 7 of them. I got 7. You guys want to come race in SV1000? I have some. We'll go race them. The season was a success. We went out to the Ridge optimistically and didn't qualify. It was fine. We still had a good time. But here we did well, exceeded our expectations. Atlanta exceeded our expectations. And there's some weird pretentiousness in the upper crust of the class, but most everybody's pretty accepting, pretty cool. They think what we're doing is cool, and we're having a good time. And when I get home, I can still pay my mortgage. So that's the goal. ROI, this bike, this class, fucking blast. I think next year we're gonna do more of this, and we're gonna get some more power, man. Like, this engine's bone stock. It makes more than the bike that we rode at Atlanta, but you know, it's like 121 horsepower. Man, if we got cams, ported heads and everything, which we have, we're working on engines, working on 2 of them, we just don't have them yet. And man, we get another 20 horsepower, fuck. You know, we'll move up 4 or 5 spots, and then we're in the top 10. Like, how would that be? That'd be amazing. That's my goal for next year, is a top 10 finish. And if we get that, I'll be ecstatic, man. I have done a ton of work on this, but I could not do any of this by myself. We have Josh, Because Motorcycle, videoing all this. You know, in 40 years, if I live that long, I can look back, watch this shit. Like, we couldn't document this anywhere because honestly, MotoAmerica, if you're not in the top 5 or you're not crashing your brains out, they're not videoing you in our races. So this helps. This is like videoing regular guys that are doing this. So thank you, Josh. Travis has been a huge help. Platinum Performance, dynoed the bikes, put one of the bikes together. It's done a ton of work coming to the races and helping and wrenching. We couldn't have tuned the bikes, gotten the power with anyone that I think gave a shit enough to do what we did without Travis's help. And Jamie, DMR Performance Suspension, Jamie Doherty. The bike today, we didn't touch a dial. We didn't touch a ride height. The bike handled amazing. It turned well. We ran the same tires in Q1, Q2, and both races. 4 sessions on the same fucking tires, dude. And they look beautiful. So thank you, Jamie, for the wizardry. And just being here and saying, yeah, man, just go do it. It's okay. We can do this. Because I'm like, maybe we should touch some shit. We didn't touch anything all weekend. We didn't even change gearing. We didn't change gear. We put fuel in it. We changed brake pads. So thank you, Jamie. We're gonna thank John for driving. He made the trip out west. Holy fuck, 36 hours. The one that we didn't make the race, but we got to see Saliva and the Spin Doctors and fly and drink some fucking hotel whiskey. Not hotel whiskey, some airport whiskey. Had a good time. It's beautiful, Pacific Northwest. So thank you, John, for all of his efforts, support. Thanks to Edmund, Dakine Motorsports. He designed the Ram Air box that gets so, well, not the Ram Air box, the Ram Air that gets so much attention. Velocity stacks, the shark guard, brake lever guard, just anything. He's put a bunch of time and effort into making parts for this bike. And we'll make more parts in the off season when we redesign our Ram Air, make it a little more efficient. And thanks to Molly and the kids, my family, for coming, being supportive. Thanks for everyone that's watching. Thanks for Kevin Drum for making the exhaust on the bike, the rear head pipe. He's working on a full system for us. I'm gonna give him a race report. He's gonna be fucking stoked. Thanks for all the fans. We talked to a bunch of people that were coming around that were excited about what we're doing because it's an everyday approachable bike. Thanks for MotoAmerica for having the class. Thanks for Roland Sands for creating this shit. I'd love to chat it up with him. I feel like what we're doing kind of embodies the class. Man, I'm just thankful that we're out here doing this. Got a place to run this thing. Thanks for the competition. Good.
Wait, hold on. Don't just say good. Be like, because for the video, you'd be like, today went great, or you know, however, whatever you want to say. So like, don't just answer me directly. No. Just how about you tell me how race 2 went?
Rub your boobies on or something. Get him excited.